I have, even though that's not right in the center, I have the colors that match to each corner plus the four corners on the face that I want to try and solve first. So now it kind of requires you to do some additional thinking. Well, how do I get the center pieces up in here that are orange? Well, I'm going to show you. So, again, kind of looking at this just logically, you see the orange and the yellow, and you see the orange and the yellow here. I could just bring these two sides up and then twist this yellow and orange into this position and then bring these back down. Well, then what do you have? You have the center that matches that color. So now here's white and orange. So I'm going to get that into perspective. Or here's the orange and here's the white. Well, that one looks like all I got to do is turn it 180 degrees. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to push these two forward. And then the orange and the white is still down there. I'm going to spin that face 180 degrees. And then bring these two back down. And before you know it, you have the center. So now, I got the blue and orange and the green and orange to try and do. Oh, wow, it's in the same situation. Now, again, it just so happens these are lined up. So I'm going to go forward, spin it 180 degrees, and bring those back down. So now I got orange and green. So now I have one last pair, and of course it's not lined up. Now I can either do one of two things. I could bring that over so that it's in the same plane, or I can bring the bottom over. It doesn't really matter much how you do it. You're going to end up with the same result. I bring these two forward, spin it 180 degrees, and then bring it back down. Now sometimes, and I'll mess one of these up just so you can see it, sometimes it's not going to be nice and neat, even if it's under it like that. You see, you're going to have the orange on this, and you're going to want to bring that up into that center piece. So you turn that off to the side, get it in the same plane, and then turn it left 90 degrees, and then it's in there. You bring them down. So, not all your pieces may land up. What I'm saying is as perfect as mine. So that's the first step. You see, we got the top color in the first row. The next step that we're going to do is these center cubes to build the second row.